Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of user version plugin. In this episode I will show you how to enable OTP login into WordPress website. So before we get started, you will need to install the user version plugin. You can search from your dashboard for user version. You will see the plugin user version by Pick Plugins. You will need to install and activate the plugin. Once we activate the plugin, you will see the menu for the user version under the users menu. So we are on the user version dashboard. You see the beautiful plugin with the welcome screen with lots of stars. This plugin is super useful for the email verification, magic login, OTP login, and spam protection. We are not going to explore all of this feature. Let's focus on the OTP login. So under the OTP login tab, you will see the options for the required email verified. So you can enable or disable if OTP login required email verification, because this plugin has also email verification. So you can enable or disable email verification required for OTP login. And OTP length, you can set custom length for the OTP, and OTP character source, you can set number, uppercase character, lowercase character, special character to mix up the OTP character. And you can set the custom success message and error message. Also you can set redirect after login custom page, or you can set the account or welcome page. So once you are set the options, you need to save the options and copy the shortcode for the OTP login form. So we are on the Gutenberg by shortcut block. We are using this shortcode. You can use this shortcode to your favorite page builder with shortcut block or shortcode element. So we need to open this page into incognito tab, and you see the OTP login form. So let's try with an account. We have an user with this email. So let's try send OTP, and you see the OTP mail send and the OTP field open, and we have received an email from our website, and you see the OTP mail, and here is the OTP code. And let's try randomly generated or wrong OTP code, and you see the wrong OTP message. And let's try our original OTP code, and let's try hit login, and you see the user logged in to the account. So this is the beautiful way to log in user without password. And under the user verification dashboard, you will see the simple stats with the OTP login. Let's try press the dashboard, and you see the OTP login mail sent and OTP login used and wrong OTP error. And this is a beautiful way to get an stats with the OTP users. So I hope you love this. Thank you so much.